y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to Nashville, Tennessee. Nashville is known as the music city in the whole world. So we're going to this city, which is about 5 hours or so from Temple, Georgia, to meet a fellow YouTuber, Leak Family Farm, all the way from Oklahoma because they have seminar out there, and since it's just over 5 hours drive from where I live, so we decided to meet her there in the music city. Although the travel was supposed to be about 5 hours and 30 minutes, it took us over 6 hours because it was raining the whole time. Even though we just left from the house, it was still raining on and off when we already reached the boundary of Georgia and Tennessee. So finally, after 4 hours, we are already here in the welcome center of Tennessee. So it still was raining and the visibility was like about 10%. It was mostly raining in the road, and some parts were already like clearing up, but still was cloudy. So we are now trying to cross the Tennessee River. This is one of those places where we have like a crooked boundary, where we go back to the boundary of Georgia and go back to Tennessee, and this is almost the boundary also of Alabama. So Tennessee is known for Smoky Mountains, whiskey, Dollywood, and country music. If you are using I-24, there will be places from the boundary of Georgia, Nashville, that you have to watch out for the debris of some rocks that it will fall from the ground. So they have some parts where they have some netting and some road signs to watch out for the falling debris. When we were already at the Nashville, Tennessee downtown, there was an accident that happened, so we have to pull on the side so the ambulance could get through. And that was 1.2 miles away from the hotel where we are going to stay. So we stayed at the Hampton Inn that is near in the airport of Nashville, Tennessee. It was a really nice hotel and it provides a lot of free stuff while we stayed. That was just overnight though. And this is how our room looks like inside. Then we rested for about an hour and we met Lake Family Farm, Karel and Joe, at a Mexican restaurant. And then after that, because we were talking so much, we were not able to take picture by ourselves having dinner. So we noticed that it was snowing outside, and it was one of those amazing snow because it was huge but it was not windy. The size of the snow were like cotton balls, so it was really like fun. And there we are, Karel and me. Natagaw jud mi og snow kay wala may ani kadagko nga snow sa amoa. Ana lang, tagaw-tagaw lang ang moment, that moment. The snow here in Georgia is just like snow flurries, and it will just whiten the field, but it is not like as thick as the other states, so that's why. And also in Oklahoma, it looks like the one that we have here in Georgia. Hindi siya masyadong puti, or kung maputi man, madali lang siyang matunaw. In the morning, we had breakfast. It's free in Hampton Inn. It's mix of American and European style of breakfast, like waffles, hash browns, ganun siya na mga breakfast. So you can make your own waffle and put some toppings on it, like nuts or maybe sprinkle or fruit. So you can have mini waffles in this kind of waffle maker. So you just put your butter. There's a butter on the side. You can measure according to how much you want and then pour it on the pan. There is some spread and some jams on the side. They also have some muffin, assorted types of muffin, and some sandwiches that you can make also by yourself. So this is what I had for breakfast. Wala pong rice. So they also have some bar, and you can also watch TV. I brought some of the muffin, and of course nag-white tea. Ayan, maganda yung araw today because it was sunny. Unlike yung yesterday, it was really raining the whole day. So after we had breakfast, we went to Sheraton to meet Karel for another day of exploring Nashville. Ang hirap pala dito sa Sheraton kasi wala siyang free parking for guests. I guess everything has to be paid, and the car has to be parked by the valet. When I tried to Google of what are the activities that we could do as part of our visit in Nashville, oh my god, they have plenty of activities to do just in downtown Nashville. So until we decided to do the hop on hop off tour, so it was about $40 something per head, but it's really worth it. I mean, you can hop in the bus and there are some destinations where you can hop off and then go a tour on that place, and then you can hop again on the other bus that it will come to the stop area, and then you can go to the other destination and just go sightseeing when you are in the bus, or you can hop off again and go do the tour inside that place. They have about 13 destinations that you can go, but I would really say that even just like 1 week, it will not be enough if you're going to do the whole tour on those 13 attractions. There is no proper way where to start of the 13 destinations. You can start somewhere there, but you just have to find a parking space for your car, and then you can start hopping on the bus.
Every 15 to 20 minutes. If you want to ride it all the way through, it's an hour and 40 minutes long, and tickets are good for all day long, so you can hop on and off as many times as you want to. It's all fully narrated by the driver, so every driver has different stuff to talk about. Out the state capitol, farmers market, Marathon Motorworks, where they film American Pickers, the Parthenon, Music Road, the Gulch Country Music Hall of Fame, and a whole bunch of other places in between all that. If you want to ride with us today, we're at $47.95 a ticket. So for the three of y'all, it'll be $157.17.
Yeah.
I'll give you one.
No, we're good. We're fine. Y'all got dinner last night. Yeah.
So watch out for our part 2. That's when we already hop in the bus. So we started at 201 Broadway Boulevard. That's number 8. Thank you all for always supporting my premiere. Don't forget to leave a comment. Bye y'all!